Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the world of hair care with a spotlight on the best conditioner for relaxed hair available in the market. Get ready to meet Nourish Hair Strengthening Foam by Canale. If you've been searching for a solution to revitalize your hair, improve color hold, and enhance fullness and strength, then you're in for a treat. Canale's Nourish Hair Strengthening Foam is not your average conditioner. Packed with essential vitamins and antioxidants, this foam is a game-changer for those with relaxed hair. Let's talk about what sets Nourish apart from the rest. This topical hair vitamin foam is formulated by Hollywood colorist Michael Canale himself. Its exclusive blend of nutrients promotes vibrant, natural hair growth while providing a stronger hold, both before and after coloring. Plus, it's hypoallergenic, keratin-safe, paraben-free, and gluten-free, making it gentle on your hair and scalp. But don't just take our word for it. Customers rave about the noticeable improvements they've experienced after using Nourish. From increased volume to healthier-looking hair, the results speak for themselves. Let's break down what goes into this magic foam. With ingredients like biotin, niacinamide, ginger root extract, and more, each pump of Nourish delivers a burst of nourishment to your scalp and strands. And using it is a breeze. Simply apply to a clean scalp after shampooing, massage in, and leave on for a few minutes before rinsing. For best results, use daily. In conclusion, if you're on the hunt for the best conditioner for relaxed hair, look no further than Nourish Hair Strengthening Foam by Canale. With its powerhouse formula and glowing reviews, it's a must-have in any hair care routine. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on products you love. Until next time, stay fabulous.